Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope that everybody is fine. I welcome you all to my 37th lecture. It's infinite grace of Almighty Allah that we have successfully completed our first topic, and you all know that I delivered almost 36 lectures on this topic, and the topic was presentation skills. I am quite sure that after learning, after understanding this topic, you will try your best to execute, to practice all these things that you have learned. Once you learn something, it becomes imperative, it becomes necessary, and it becomes essential that you must use all the things in your daily life, in your practical life. If you don't use it, it will just go into the van and it will be useless whatever you learned. So I would strongly recommend you, I would strongly motivate you to execute, to use all the knowledge, all the things that you have learned in presentation skills. Today I'm going to begin my new topic after the topic of presentation skills. The topic is of great importance that will be discussed today. The topic has a huge importance in your academic career, not only in academic but as well as in your professional life. The topic that needs your attention, the topic that requires your complete attention and your complete uh, understanding towards this topic. The topic seems very easy to read, very easy to understand. It's very difficult when it comes to its practicality. It requires great and huge efforts when you are going to execute all the things when you will learn this topic. The topic is interview techniques. Everybody who is watching this video or who is listening this video must be aware of the topic interview skills. Why? Because it's very general topic. Everybody knows it. Everybody understands what does it mean by discussing, understanding interview skills. Because if you remember, when you were applying for the admission at VTC Center Khairul Meers, you had applied for the test. When you went through the test, later on you will be called by the administration to appear in the interview. And then you were asked a couple of questions, you answered them, and therefore, right now, you are able and you are eligible to understand and to attend my these lectures. If you had not performed better in your interview, if you had not responded them positively in your interview, and if you had not given them your positive gesture in interview, you would not have attended my this lecture today. So everybody has experienced it, everybody knows it, what interview is and how one should play in an interview. But right now, here at this stage, we will understand and we will look into the topic very closely and very in a detail. Why? Because this topic needs to be understood in detail, and this topic requires us to practice all these things in our practical life. Although you know very well about interviewer, interviewee, different techniques of interview, and what to do before interview, what to do on the day of interview, and what one may do after the interview, and there are many things that you know. But learning, understanding is something else, and practicing and executing and using and utilizing knowledge and its you know practical form is completely another thing. So this topic will enable you not only understand the basics of interview skills, but also it will enable you to be a good interviewee when you are being interviewed for your job. Well, the topic is interview skills. Let's see what this interview means. Basically, this interview means, so basically these things we shall cover in our, you know, this sequence of interview skills. We will discuss definition for interview, we will discuss types of interview, preparation for interviews, performance during and after interviews, some tips for interviews, some do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts mean something that you need to do and something you need not to do. Okay, interview questions and important job sites. This is a series of our lecture that we will cover in our this sequence. Later on, let's move forward. Okay ji. So interviews definition is finally here. The definition is, it's a simply a meeting of minimum two expert candidates arranged to examine the suitability of the candidate, tested for subject knowledge, skills, and desired behavior in a very limited time. Now, the very first line is, it's a meeting of two minimum expert. It's a meeting of minimum two expert and candidate. So these things should be kept in mind when you are being interviewed, that there will be two persons generally in an interview. One of them will be expert, other one will be candidate. If I may tell you these two terms in a very simple language, then expert is known as an interviewer who conducts your interview, who asks you question, who judges you, who evaluates you, who scales your performance. And candidate is an interviewee who is being interviewed, who answers the question, who bears the pain of being interviewed, who basically goes under the pressure of interview, and who later on gets success in interview. So this is how an interview is. The next thing is, this is arranged to examine the suitability of the candidate. Here the word suitability means one's ability, being able to clinch to get that job, means whether one is suitable for a particular job or not. Here I would like to conclude my this lecture because time is getting shorter and I have to finish my video. I will discuss this definition further inshallah in my next video, and I'll let you know that basically what we should need to learn about interview skills and how we should execute these things in a professional, in academic, and in practical way. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.